Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we are going to go over the best deals at CVS next week, and I'm going to show you how you can put together some transactions at the end like I do every week so you can roll your rewards and keep your out-of-pocket cost super low. I do have some updates for you, and I am going to be going live today on Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram yet, I'd love to have you. I'm going to be live at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So my Instagram is Bree Coupon Queen with the number 1 after it. And of course, if you're not subscribed to this channel, take a second and hit that red subscribe button. It's completely free to do so, and that way you'll be notified when you click the notification bell of any deals that I post, any videos I post for how to save a lot of money. So these deals are going to start next week. They're going to go from Sunday to the following Saturday is the sales cycle for CVS. So my advanced couponing class is going to be tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time as well. The link is below to get signed up. Make sure you do that soon before it closes. Then I have a beginner class the following week. So every other week I alternate advanced class and then a beginner's class. I do have a current giveaway going on right now with Fluz for a $100 Lowe's gift card. All you have to do is sign up for Fluz, use my code Bree Coupon Queen 21 and buy your first gift card. Any gift card, any dollar amount, doesn't matter. That'll make you an active user. So that ends on Friday night, and I'm going to be announcing the winner on Sunday in my CVS haul video. So make sure you stay tuned for that. See if you're the lucky winner. And yeah, again, live on Instagram. I'm going to try to do Instagram on my phone, YouTube on my computer if it works. Last time I tried to do live on YouTube on my computer, it was being weird again. So fingers crossed all my technology actually works with me this time so I can be live in both places at once. Coupon inserts, not the best week for inserts, to be honest. Wouldn't necessarily recommend buying inserts online. We're only getting one, so what I would recommend for this week is just buying individual coupons that you need from the couponmarketplace.com. If you want to buy an insert, you totally can. Here are my two referral codes to get 10% off of BQ and 15% off at Sunday Coupon Inserts. So both of those are going to be linked below in the description box. We are getting 6 off 2 cetaphil coupons, a $2.50 off 1 cetaphil, we're getting $1 off Irish Spring coupons as well. So those coupons, I'm going to show you how to use them in this video. So I would definitely recommend at least grabbing those coupons. Okay, the first one is going to be on men products. So Suave, Dove, Axe, so on and so forth. They're buy 2, get a $2 extra buck, and they're buy 1, get 1 half off, but only select varieties. So we'll have to see on Sunday online when everything updates to the new sales week exactly which ones are included. Typically, the Suave shampoo is $4.99. So if that is buy 1, get 1 half off, the second one would be $2.49. We do have $1.50 off 1 coupons in our 9/12 Unilever. Then just using those 2 coupons, hopefully you have those inserts. If not, BQ still does have them up on her website. So I would definitely recommend ordering last week's inserts because we got 4 inserts and there's still coupons that we're going to be using this next week. So you'll pay $4.48, get back a $2 extra buck, makes it $2.48 for both, or $1.24 each. So definitely a great deal for Axe Men. Kelloggs Cereal, another very beginner-friendly deal. So they're $1.99 next week. And if you go on Kellogg's Family Rewards and sign up, it's completely free to sign up, and you'll start earning some points, submitting some receipts, things like that. You can print a $1 off 2 coupon. Then that would make your final cost $2.98 for 2 boxes of cereal, or $1.49 each, which is an amazing deal. So definitely stock up. I personally think cereal is one of those items that's so expensive. Obviously, I know recently all the prices of just about everything went up. So let me know in the description box if there's certain deals that you guys are looking for, like what product the prices rising on it is really impacting you the most. That way I can try to put together deals for that and let you know how you can combat it by, of course, using coupons and doing some different rebate app deals so that way you're still able to save money even with the prices that have just gone up. Okay, Tresemme. Buy two, get a $2 extra buck, and they're 2 for $10. So we are getting a 4 off 2 digital coupon. Check your CRTs, see if you have a 2 off of 10 Tresemme or 2 off of 10 hair care CRT. You'll pay $4, get back the $2 extra buck, making them just $1 a piece. This will track towards CVS Beauty as well. So remember, when you spend $30 in beauty products, you'll get another $3 beauty buck. It's called a beauty buck, but when it hits your account in 48 hours, on your app, you can check it. It's just called an extra buck. But in the couponing world, we call it a beauty buck because it's an extra buck you earned from the beauty program. Okay, Irish Spring. They are going to be $3.99 each next week, and buy two, get a $3 extra buck, limit of 1. So grab 2 of them. Then we're getting dollar coupons in our Smart Source that we're getting on Sunday. So I would definitely recommend at least grabbing these coupons. Then if you have a 2 off 2 Irish Spring CRT, sometimes we even get 3 off of 2. So check your CRTs on Sunday, see what we have available for next week. You'll pay $3.98, get back a $3 extra buck, makes them 49 cents a piece for body wash, which is an excellent deal. And of course, you could always resell these items if it's not necessarily something that you need. Here is the cetaphil deal, which I'm really excited about. So obviously there's a billion ways that you could do this deal, tons of different cetaphil products included. This is just one way that I have it done here. So you can grab 4 of the cetaphil wipes, the packs of wipes that are $8.59 each. That'll bring you to $34.36. We're getting 6 off 2 coupons in our Smart Source, which is typically a limit of 2. So I have to check the coupon and make sure. Then see if you have a 5 off 25 facial care CRT. You'll be able to add that in with this deal. You'll pay $17.36, get back an $8 extra buck. In this deal alone, you're over $30 in beauty products. So you'll get back another $3 beauty buck. That'll make this one $6.36 for 4 products, or $1.59 each. And I know a lot of people are loving Cetaphil. It goes really fast in the stores, so make sure that you know kind of when your store is going to be restocking so you can grab the products. Like I said, if you want to do like a facial cleanser or something in the photo instead, mix and match however you want to do it. This is just one example for you. Colgate Total, this is going to be an amazing deal. It's spend 10, get a $5 extra back. So you can mix and match the toothpaste, toothbrushes, and the mouthwash. So I would grab 2 of the products that are $5.49. Now it says we're getting a send to card coupon. Typically it would be like a 3 off 2, maybe even a 4 off of 2. So we have to wait and see because it doesn't tell us the dollar amount. A lot of people are also getting 2 off of 8 oral care CRTs or Colgate CRTs. I haven't gotten one personally, but I know they're out there, so check your account and see what we get next week. You'll pay $5.98, get back a $5 extra buck, makes it 49 cents a piece. So another thing for CRTs, the CRTs you have the current week right now on your account. If you don't print them at the red box inside CVS, or send them to your card by Saturday night, you'll lose them. Then we get new CRTs on Sunday morning. So I always post the reminder on my Instagram on Saturday. Make sure on Saturday, put it in your calendar or on your phone. I have an alarm that goes off every Saturday to remind me. On Sundays, obviously, I print as many as I can from the red box, but there's always some that don't print. So on Saturday morning, I go to my Deals and Rewards tab, and I send to card all of the CRTs that don't say paper coupon above it. That means that it hasn't printed yet, and I will wind up losing those if I don't send them to my card by Saturday night. When you send it to your card, it extends it by 7 days. Now, this is for CRTs, not digital manufacturer coupons. those expire on the date that they say, regardless of if you clip it or not. Okay, Halloween candy. So if you guys don't follow me on my TikTok, highly recommend it. I posted a run deal for Walgreens. The Skittles share bags and the Starburst share bags are ringing up online 2 for $3. There's also dollar Ibotta rebates. Then you can grab the Twix, Milky Way, Snickers, you name it. There's so many candy deals that you can do right now at Walgreens with Ibotta rebates, help you complete your pumpkin bonus, your spice bonus, all the bonuses. So if you haven't checked that out yet, definitely do so. My TikTok is the same. It's just Bree the Coupon Queen. So this is also a good deal for Halloween. You want to stock up now, of course, instead of having to spend. The candy bags get really expensive, especially even at Walmart. They'll be like 15, 16 bucks for a bag of candy, and the candy are like the crappy candy. It's not even like the good Reese's and stuff. So anyway, I'm definitely going to be stocking up on these for when people do trick-or-treating, if they do this year. We are all getting a 2 off of 3 coupon. It'll be in the app, so you can check it on Sunday, or you can print it from the red box. That'll make 3 packs of them $2 a piece, which I think is a really good deal, and you can mix and match. There's a bunch of different kinds that are going to be available. Okay, let's get into the transaction examples. This is exactly what I teach and focus on in my advanced couponing class, which is going to be tonight, Thursday, 7 p.m. So if you haven't reserved yet, link is below in the description box. Definitely reserve your seat. You can grab 2 of the Irish Spring and 2 of the Tresemme. They're $17.98 would be the total. Then we have coupons and CRTs, $10. So you're going to be left to pay $7.98 plus taxes. So instead of paying that, you have to pay it anyway, right? You may as well download Fluz. When you download Fluz with my referral code, Bree Coupon Queen 21, you'll get 3 vouchers for 35% cash back. So you have 3 of them. You can use those at CVS. CVS is a store that you can use a voucher on. So you'll get 35% cash back. So you want to buy $10 gift cards at a time to get the most cash back. So grab a $10 gift card. You'll get back $3.75. And if you want to know how to get more vouchers or how to use Fluz or anything like that, definitely check on my channel. I have videos for all of those, and I'll link them both at the end of this video also. Then you're going to get back a $2 extra buck and a $3 extra buck. So second transaction, we're going to give them the Colgate Total products we grabbed for $10.98. We have $5 in coupons and CRTs. We'll pay $5.98, but we have $5 in extra bucks from our first transaction. So rip it off the receipt, give it to the cashier. Now you're paying just 98 cents plus taxes out of pocket. And you still have money left over on that Fluz gift card. Because remember, we bought a $10 gift card. It'll show the barcode right on your phone. So you show it to the cashier. They click gift card on their side first and they scan it. Then they're going to type in the PIN on their side. So it'll now cover the cost of the second transaction as well. You'll probably still have like $1 or so left over. So at the bottom, after they scan it, whatever is the remaining balance, make sure you click update and you can enter in the amount spent, or you can enter in how much you have left over on that card. That way you know moving forward exactly how much is left on those cards. So covers everything, and you're going to get back another $5 extra buck. So let's go over the final cash cost. You paid $10 on the Fluz app for a $10 CVS gift card. You got back $3.75 from Fluz for buying the gift card. That immediately goes on your Fluz account when you buy it, not when you use it. You can use it whenever, but when you buy it, you get the $3.75 back. You still have about $1 left over on that gift card. That makes your final cost $5.25 for all 6 products, or 87 cents each. And you have another $5 extra buck that printed on the bottom of your receipt for your next transaction. So keep that in mind. Make sure you keep that extra buck. And of course, if for some reason you lose it or forget it or something like that, it will show on your CVS app. So you can always click send to card, and then you can use it in your transaction. So when you type in your phone number at the end and the digital coupons and everything come off, If you have extra bucks on your account, just let the cashier know, hey, I know I have an extra buck on my account. Please apply that, because they have to hit apply on their side. Then you can use the extra bucks for your next transaction. So if you have any questions or anything, let me know. Drop a comment below, of course. Don't forget to smash the like button on this video. And if you want more info about how to use Fluz and how to get more vouchers, click these videos here above. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you in my live today on Instagram at 1 o'clock. Have a good day.